here till late? It went out on just now. Oh, I'm just shooting the cam at you. Little video.
No.
Little video action going on.
No, we don't need it.
Well, you're already on. I'm sorry. I'll erase. I'll edit you out.
You couldn't get it when I was shooting people?
Yeah, we will. We'll get you.
We got 4 guys this way. Are you dead? Who's responding? What do I do? Just go sit there?
Yeah, I see somebody over there. SPR nod to you, sniper, gunny, eagle1. On greyfox field.
Making a break for it!
Who has the bomb? We have the bomb. We have the way down.
Where's the bomb?
Well, the bomb should be up here, don't you think? They're getting away from the spawn.
Okay, they're flanking left. Can we go in and get the bomb?
We have it. It's back there.
Oh, we have it. Well, we gotta keep them from getting it. How did we get it?
I have no idea.
Wow, that's cool. I thought they
I'm
still
about
had
to
it.
see if I can outflank that guy right there from over there.
Where's there? Somebody over there?
There's someone behind the tree line, behind that big tree.
Oh, okay. I think he moved out though. He's down. Yeah, me too. Alabama.